there. So big. Huh? Ate Baji, picture ka dyan ha. Ang init! Balik na kami sa Jensen, guys. Alam mo pag Jensen na kasi sana yung nafe-feel mo. Kinuha pala lahat ng taga Baguio yung lamig. Okay, andito na kami sa airport. We're going to get our bags. Let's go!
The Mount Matutom auntie.
Guys! Dito sa amin, sa Jensen, kailangan mag-sunglasses kasi maraming sun. Sabi ko sa inyo, andito na kami ngayon. Pasyahan nyo naman kami dito para ma-feel nyo naman yung aming syudad na mainit. Hindi nyo kailangan, kahit single pwede kayo dito. Kasi mainit na, hindi nyo kailangan kayakap. And that is our, ayan, ang aming pinagmamalaking Mount Matutom. Meron din kaming pinagmamalaki dito, guys. Kaya mga taga Baguio, kayo naman dito bumisita. So, andito na kami, dumating na kami. Our time is actually on time. And 2:30 sharp. So, gutom na kaming lahat kasi pananghalian pala alanganin. So, kakain muna tayo ng lunch. Naka-convoy kami sa kapatid ko right now. Most of them ay nasa van, and then kami ni Auntie Christine, my mom, and my other auntie, tsaka ako at si Parts dito sa kabilang sasakyan. So, let's go guys. Mag-lunch tayo and
Sinter na siya sa ato na kalsada.
Magpahinga for Saturday. Magpahinga?
Ituyok siya.
Iniisip ko pa magtrabaho ngayong araw kasi iniwan ko yung shop na hindi naka-arrange. So, yeah, tingnan natin anong mangyayari for today's episode. I'll see you guys.
Balagid siya. Asus, grabe ko doon.
Kala mo naman, galing kami sa Saudi. Galing lang pala kami sa Baguio. Pa.
Which one bag?
Mine is pink one. Yes.
The clip one.
Huh?
The clip.
Clip?
Yeah.
The one with your clip? I think it's your mommy's bag, the green one. Look for the green bag. Yan.
Interesado siya ba?
Yan, interesado. Ang butangan niya. Kasi nagpa-promise sila pero wala. Jericho, bless! Grandma! Grandma! Ay, auntie pa! Ay! Ay! Lola pa, Lowa! Wawa, wawa. Mami princess pa, mami princess. Ahag pa hag. Bata, uy. I'm happy daw.
Where's the clip?
I'm happy daw. Awesome, oh. I love Baguio. Strawberry ice cream. Ay, sorry. Haha. May remembrance ka na. Walang earrings. Yan na lang. Okay na yan. Ay, strawberry earrings. Marami man yan sa Shopee.
Sa ni auntie. Orderan mo na lang siya.
Sige. Nagbabay ka na sa Baguio?
Yes. Bye-bye, Baguio.
Nagsisi ka ba na nasa Jensen tayo?
Init kayo, Darigan. Dito kay Lamig.
I-invite mo naman sila, mga taga Baguio.
Mga taga Baguio, baka naman.
Maraming salamat guys sa lahat po ng pumunta at ma-meet kami ni Miss Jocel. Ayan. Ano na?
Ito, strawberry.
Ay, dito po dagil galing? Okay, sige. Okay na.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy. Sendan mo ako ng video na nagahamal. Hamal ka ng ano ha. Ang fresh strawberry mo, i-secure mo muna ang fresh strawberry mo. Yung green. Bigay natin to kay Ate Boji, guys. Ate Boji, oh. Baguio. So cute. You see? Look, look, look. Very nice. Ay, tikman mo ha. Ano yan, homemade ng subscriber natin. Be, patingin. Allman's homemade strawberry preserve with whole strawberries. Then may strawberry din sa Ate Boji na fresh. Ano yun, ate? I-secure mo yun kay baka mamaya. Ate Boji pala to, guys. yung strawberry niya. Kasi para matikman naman ng family ni Ate Buji yung mga sarap ng Baguio. Kasi special strawberry. Ate Buji, oh! Dapat ipakain mo to today, te, kaya baka masira bukas. Bawal i-ref kasi. Oh. Mabango na yan. Perfect na. Oh. Ano man yan? Kakabalik na natin galing Baguio. Ano yan?
Ulang guys.
No, we're going home.
Ito lang ang natira sa akin.
Yan you guys. Kakabalik lang namin. Yan yung kaharap niya. Puros Baguio products.
Ang sarap.
Tikman natin. Ito yung bigay sa atin na strawberry. Ayan. Very sensitive talaga yung strawberry, oh. Pero may nagsabi sa akin, Madam, natikman mo ba yung strawberry sa Mount Olive? Actually, I did try and nabigla ako sa lasa ng Mount Olive strawberry, guys. Hindi man siya ganun kagandahan na strawberry, pero ang sarap. The best strawberry na natikman ko, by the way. Akala ko ito na yung pinakamasarap yung sa La Trinidad. Pero yung sa Mount Olive, sobrang sarap ng pagiging matamis niya. Kahit pangit siya, pero siya yung pinakamasarap na strawberry. Ano sabi mo, ma? Kahit pangit yung strawberry ng Mount Olive?
Yeah. Pangit siya tingnan, pero pag natikman mo, super tamis. Iba yung tamis niya. Sa dito.
Yun ang na-miss ko.
Tamis gid siya gang.
So, ganun talaga. May mga pangit na masarap, no? Tawa yung mama ko. Uy, masarap. Iba man, no? Iba ang Mount Olive na strawberry. Hindi ko kasi na-videohan, guys, pero masarap. Kung makapunta kayo ng Mount Olive sa Atok, tikman nyo yung strawberry nila doon. Hindi siya kagandahan, parang hindi siya appetizing tingnan, pero masarap po siya. Eto, iba din eh, crispy.
Atok di ay.
Galing to kay ano? Galing to kay Manang Luz. Si Manang Luz nagbigay ng strawberry at saka nitong jam.
Masarap crunchy. Gawa niya lang.
Gawa ng kapatid niya. Parang na-miss niya agad ang Baguio, guys. Inupuan niya agad lahat. Alis na naman sa Ate Buji, guys. Iwan na naman kami. Nag-enjoy ka ba sa Baguio, ate? Yes. Magpasalamat ka muna kay tita from Denmark. Nag-enjoy ka? Enjoy na enjoy si Buji. Salamat po. Salamat po. Salamat po, tita. Ayan mo, papaalam na sa Ate Buji. Di ba, bisita lang siya anytime, guys. Ano bang birthday sunod? Guys, hindi ko alam ano nangyari pagising ko. Ang dami kong nakitang langaw. Kaya ako'y alas 6 pa lang. Ayan. Tumatayo po yung balahibo ko. Hindi ko alam saan sila dumaan. At hindi sila yung maliliit na langaw. Ito yung malalaki. Parang bubuyog kalaki. Ayan, may isa pa naghihingalo ko. Para silang ano, Ang dami nila, guys. Hindi ko alam saan sila nanggaling. Basta pagising ko na lang, sarado naman lahat. May isang naghihingalo somewhere. Puti tulog pa yung mga bata. Makakapag-spray ako ng maayos. Hindi ko alam saan sila nanggaling. Chico, what happened there? Why are you wearing like that?
That's why you beat me in your bed. That's why I won't.
Kasi guys, tinry ko kung pwede na ba siya. Kaya niya na ba magsuot ng sarili niya. But at least you did it. You see? You were able to put it on. But it's on the wrong side, right? I'm sorry, anak. Sorry po. Be? So you want mama to fix it?
No.
I should fix it, yeah?
No.
Then you will look funny, man.
Yes.
The kids draw. Very good. Small letter R, A, and then W.
A.
and W. Teacher said until 159. W pa, small letter W. So, dahil absent yung mga anak ko, guys, ng 5 days. 4 days. 5 days pala talaga. Marami silang homework na gagawin. So, eto. So, gagawin natin ni Calvi. This one, read the instructions muna.
I'm reading, keep up. I'm reading all instructions.
Yes po, we
You're not
have
even
to.
helping.
Yes, because you are a big boy now. Continue. Let me see. Do I still have ice cream in the fridge?
Words
Do I still have
tell
ice cream?
us what I
Do I still have ice cream in the fridge? Okay, later we will check. Remember.
Remember, action words tell us what actions are done by people and animals. Some of the actions words are run, write, pray, walk, fly, climb, read, stand, swim.
Very good. Next, treasure.
Treasure.
Check.
Check the pictures that shows a family. Remember
Member.
doing the right thing.
Which family member is doing the right thing? Eating in the bedroom?
Ink.
Shouting at mom?
Ink.
Helping the dishes?
Check. Mom, will this card be
Yes
fun?
po, put it there.
No.
And, what's that? Gossiping. Up? Gossiping? Gossiping is correct?
No.
No. Next, here. Link arts. Let me help you with this one. Do the exercises by acting out the action words below. You have to do the exercise. You have to show mommy because I'm going to tell teacher that you did it. Okay, first, walk. Good job. Next, jog.
How?
Jog is running. Next, run. Fast. Good. Sit. Good. Sleep. Good. Jump. Good job, Calvi. Great job. Okay, next. How do you feel about your lesson? I learned a lot. I got it. I love the lesson. I just need some time to learn more of it. I need a lot of help. Which one is you? Which one? Oh, teacher will love that. Next. 4 more pages left. Let me help you. Quarterly assessment. We're here. What have you learned? Listen as your teacher reads each sentence and circle the correct answer. The first one. He looks after the school. The teacher or the principal?
Principal.
Principal. He looks after the school. The whole school. Circle daw, circle, not box, okay? Circle. Next, he keeps the books in order in the library. The doctor or the librarian? Very good. Next, she keeps the school clean. The doctor or the cleaner?
Cleaner.
Good job. Next, these, that, or those. This is when you're touching something like this. This is mommy's water bottle. This one is when you are touching something many. These are my books. Many books, right? That is when I'm pointing at something. That's a mirror. And then those is when I'm pointing at something that are many. Those are my toys. Okay? Now let's try here. What should the girl use here? This, these, that, or those?
Those.
Only
That.
one word. That.
That.
That. Morning, Chico. Calvi. 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 Ayan, guys, sa wakas. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, taga Jensen. Good morning sa lahat sa inyo na nanonood ngayong umaga. Welcome once again sa aking YouTube channel, you guys. This is Princess Yiga, yours truly. And finally, nakabalik na tayo from Baguio. Ayun.
Naloto ko ba sa si Chico?
Si Chico kasi talagang hindi namin nakikita. Talagang tago ng tago. Tsaka hindi siya gumagalaw. Pero anyway, balik na tayo sa trabaho, guys. Finally, we are back here at Mayumi Thailand Closet, yung aking nag-iisang boutique dito sa General Santos City. And, may gusto akong i-share sa inyo. Alam ko marami sa inyo yung nagtatanong about sa update sa aking mga anak. And I feel like, ang sarap niya i-share ngayon kasi I was really happy about this and it's a good news. Ayun. So, basically, may na-receive akong email. Finally, sa kakaantay ko at kaka-email ko sa ating anak na si Kuya Nasri, nag-reply siya last week sa akin through email. And, konting oras lang siya nag-reply, guys. Pero masaya ako sa reply niya. Hinabol ko pa kung makareply pa siya sa isang beses. Pero yung unang reply niya sa akin is, he's updating me na okay lang daw sila ng kapatid niya na si Muhammad Ali, and also he gave me his Snapchat. So natuwa ako sa kanya kasi sobrang high-tech. May Snapchat na po yung aking 13-year-old na anak. Syempre, 13 years old na siya, nagbibinata na. Natututo na ng mga app na yan. So what I did, I already added him. I installed Snapchat immediately and I added him there. And the next day, he was online, so we started chatting, we started talking, and then he called me on voice. Hindi kami nakapag-video call, pero we spoke on voice, and I was so happy to hear his voice once again. Alam nyo ba guys, na sobrang grown up na ni Kuya Nasri, ang kanyang boses ay hindi na po pang batang maliit. Pang malaking tao na po yung boses ni Kuya Nasri, yet he's just 13. But anyway, I left Uganda when I noticed that Kuya Nasri's voice is already changing slowly. And I know Kahil's gonna have the same experience very, very soon. So anyway, nag-usap kami, sabi niya okay lang daw siya, nagba-basketball pa daw siya sa school, he's doing fine, he's studying well, so that's a good news. And then kinumusta ko din si Muhammad Ali and I spoke to him for a little bit. They sound well and I hope they are really, really well. I'm happy to hear their voices once again. At sabi ko nga kay Kuya Nasri, kukunik ko sila dalawa ni Kuya Kahil. So, tinawagan ko si Kuya Kahil, gave him Nasri's details, he installed Snapchat, and they started talking and playing online together through Snapchat. Ayun. So, masaya ako. That's a really, really good update, you guys. I know you are also happy to hear from them. Once again, Kuya Nasri and Muhammad Ali are in Uganda right now. They are still studying. Kuya Nasri is in grade 7 and he's 13 years old, and Muhammad Ali is grade 3 and he is around 8 years old. Ayun. So far so good, hindi na kami nagkausap this week, pero I believe it's because most of the time maybe sa homework, kasi medyo madaming homework talaga yung international school sa Uganda. But yeah, I'm happy to hear. Eto nga at nakabalik na tayo sa Baguio, guys. Back tayo sa ating review sa Baguio. We are finally done with our trip and Auntie Christine is very, very happy, guys. Na-miss niya man yung first half ng first day natin, pero she was able to cope up sa saya at sa bonding moments to the point na talagang umiyak si Auntie Christine on our last night at Baguio. She was extremely sad. Baguio reminds her of Africa. The weather in Africa and the climate in Baguio is almost the same. The daily temperature in Africa, guys, is para po talagang sa Baguio. Ganon na ganon. And it's very clean. Maliliit lang yung buildings, but it is organized. It's busy, but it's, you know, it's not chaotic. So, Auntie Christine is very happy kasi para sa kanya, it looks like Rwanda. Not even Uganda, guys. Rwanda, yung katabing bansa ng Uganda na quite improved and developed. So, nalungkot si Auntie na umalis kami at talagang umabot sa point na nagbiruan kami, guys. Hindi ko alam kung biro lang, pero sabi ni Auntie Christine is, kung meron mang maniligaw sa kanya from Baguio, malaki po yung chance na sasagutin niya. Ganon po siya kasasaya sa Baguio na gusto niyang magkaroon ng posibilidad na makatira siya ng Baguio. So sabi ko kay Auntie, don't worry, it's not very far. And you know, you don't have to have, seryoso yung madam nyo, guys. Sabi ko sa kanya, it's okay Auntie, kahit na walang lalaki sa buhay mo na taga Baguio, we will always come back to Baguio kasi hindi naman talaga siya malayo. Ayan. When it comes to the strawberry jam na marami kaming dala, maraming salamat po sa lahat na nagbigay sa amin ng kanilang mga pasalubong. We really appreciate it. From ube jam to strawberry jam, maraming salamat po to fresh strawberries. To fresh strawberries, mamaya na, mama is still working. To fresh strawberries, maraming salamat po. Yung jam guys, parang everyday ko kinakain since bumalik po kami from Baguio. I saw a lot of comment regarding the idea that I shared with you guys that we are planning to have a Philippine loop together with my children. Inshallah ngayong taon, and a lot of you said that we are welcome there in your places. Some people said that you cannot wait to meet us in Bicol, in Albay. I am very happy guys that you already have that kind of energy na nagmamanifest pa lang ako. So I'm excited, by the way. Of course, in this trip, I'm hoping that Parts will be able to drive us kasi nga wala akong lisensya and I'm not very confident to drive the whole family as of now kasi I am mentally busy, mentally occupied most of the time, and my hands are always working. So I prefer sitting down instead of driving. So kapag natuloy kami, Parts will be there, Auntie Christine will be there, and all of my children will be joining us. Inshallah, we will be starting our Philippine loop from General Santos City where we live, and then we will pass by the area of Davao, then Tagum, then that side of Surigao, then going to Butuan, then continue our travel up to Legazpi, Albay. I am hoping that at least the maximum distance we're going to travel for this Philippine loop, it's not gonna be totally Philippine loop, you guys. Maybe 3 quarters kung kakayanin ng budget namin. Of course, we are going to try to budget kung ano yung kaya namin kasi you know naman talagang tight yung ating kaperahan, but it doesn't stop us to travel. And pag naabot namin yung Legazpi, Albay at makita ko yung Mount Mayon, I'm gonna call it a success no matter what. And the rest of the parts of the Philippines, we will travel the next time if hindi kayanin ng finances namin. And someone actually commented there and shared, she commented something very nice and it made me smile. She said something like, Ma'am Princess, thank you so much. I find value in all your uploads and all your contents. And to be honest with you, I finally realized the importance of traveling with the children regardless of their age. Yun yung sinabi ng comment. And it really made me smile. Wait for Tito Parts, you can have your snack. This one is for Tita Giselle, not for you. Okay? Almost. This is not yours. This is Tita Giselle's snack. And masaya ako guys na ganun yung nakita ninyo. Actually, dati ang thinking at mindset ko sa traveling is not like that. Akala ko dati, it's okay lang kasi yung mga bata, ang lagi nilang hinahanap ay ano lang naman paglalaro lang. Wait, may tumatawag sa no? Before, I don't really have that kind of mindset regarding traveling with kids. Kasi when I traveled first with Kuya Kahil, he was 4-5 years old when I took him sa Vietnam. And hindi talaga siya nag-enjoy dun guys, except sa isang lugar na pinuntahan namin na merong playground. So sabi ko, kung yan lang naman pala ang gusto ng mga bata, bakit kailangan ko pa siyang isama mag-travel? Magastos na, kailangan mo ng maayos na hotel, kailangan mo ng air ticket nila kasi may pamasahin na sila. You have to make sure they eat on time. So it's a lot of stress, by the way, to be honest with you, traveling with children. But nung time na yun, hindi ko siya na-realize kasi I was very nearsighted sa mga advantages. Not until, of course, nag-mature na tayo. Kahil was 5. Now, Kahil is already turning 12. That's 7 years na ang nakalipas. Of course, I had a lot of challenges sa buhay ko. I saw a lot of things. I traveled a lot. And I changed my mind about traveling with children. Kasi nakita ko, no, yung mga foreigner, yung mga white, mga westerner, yung mga ibang mga lahi, they really travel with their children. And I saw how these children behave. They are very patient. They are excited about simple things. They are more patient. Kasi nga, susubukan ka talaga pagdating sa traveling. If you saw na may mga times na talagang pinipilit ko dalhin yung mga anak ko kahit local travel lang, it's because I finally realized that there's a lot of learning from it. Maybe as nanay, hindi natin masyadong nakikita yan, no? Pero try to observe your kids. slowly. Lalo na pag kayo ay nagta-travel. Lalo na pag nasa uncomfortable situation kayo. I will not say that it's easy. It's very challenging. Kasi ako, for one, sa airplane pa lang, no, kailangan nating isipin na minsan nababagot yung mga bata. But we should be able to manage those stress, manage those mga challenges natin. Like for example, sa airplane, pagkasama ko si Chico tsaka si Calby, normally they are impatient. All they want, they ask from me is to watch something on the phone. But how am I going to give them that nice experience sa plane without those gadgets? So sometimes I bring small toys. I make sure I have some snack like biscuit and cookies. I try to give them something na makakapabisi sa kanila. Yun yung tinatry kong gawin. Lalo na kapag mga long flight. Yung 1-hour flight, 2-hour flight, that is no sweat. Sometimes nakakatulog naman sila. But recently, I traveled with Chico and he was behaving really well. Also, having someone who understands and who is also patient with the children is a plus. So, Auntie Christine was there and she's extremely helpful, guys, when it comes to my children. Another thing, walking. Pagdating sa walking, I don't carry those foldable chair, bag carrier for kids. I don't. I try to train my kids na maglakad talaga. Maglakad. And if someone is uncomfortable, they want to pee, or they would like to sleep, or they would like to poop, of course, that one, they have to be vocal. Kasi sometimes, kailangan talaga natin silang samahan. And that's one of the one of the things that we have to be prepared for when we are traveling with children. Pagdating naman sa pagkain, ayan, sa pagkain, they are very manageable. Kasi naman, hindi naman sila humihingi ng mga pagkain na katulad sa atin. Mahilig tayong mag-try ng mga bagong pagkain. Yung mga bata naman, as long as may sabaw. Sa mga anak ko, as long as may sabaw at saka merong chicken, okay na sila dyan. When it comes to fun naman, the most fun we had, for example, sa Baguio trip namin, of course, yung mga activity for kids, nagustuhan nila yon. They enjoyed the walking part as well kasi marami silang nakikita. Sa van naman, hindi din sila masyadong magulo sa van kasi we separated both of them. May mga times talaga na sineseparate namin sila, guys, to manage them well. I was seated with Calby for some of the trips. Auntie was seated with Chico for some of the trips. They rarely sit together, lalo na sa van, kasi they do mess up a lot and fight a lot, and sometimes, kailangan natin siyang i-manage. Hindi naman 100% of the time, pero most of the time. Maybe every time kapag natutunan nilang mag-calm down, then that's when they sit together and spend time with each other. Chico and Calby, they became closer, by the way, you guys. Kasi sinadya ko talaga na sumabay sila sa school together, umuwi together. And of course, kapag kumakain talagang sabay silang dalawa. And now I noticed that they are playing with each other a lot more often. And they miss each other very fast na lately. For this Philippine loop, I have a lot of expectations, but I'm not going to set it so strictly, no? Kasi alam ko marami tayong kailangang i-adjust, lalo na pag may kasama tayong mga bata. But I am very excited to see them for this adventure na pinaplano namin ngayong taon. Sometimes si Calby nakikipag-usap sa akin, no, dati hindi niya nagigets yung mga travel, mga tour, but slowly ini-explain ko sa kanya na this is what it's like to travel. This is what it's like to tour around. Calby, you don't only expect places like playgrounds. Sometimes we go to places with flowers and there's not much thing to do but to look at them, to appreciate them, to smell them, to touch them. Ginaganon ko din yung mga anak ko. So for me, it's a lot of learning. It's a big learning ground for me as nanay and para na din sa mga anak ko. So, having to travel with your children, kailangan talaga prepared ka. Kasi alam ko, Filipino mindset sometimes, not unless you are exposed sa abroad na nakikita mo buong family talaga yung nagta-travel. Pero normally, no, pag Filipino mindset, hindi masyadong ganun yung ating thinking regarding sa pagbabiyahe. But if you're going to ask me, guys, if I recommend traveling with the children, of course, I would say yes. I would say yes. It doesn't have to be far. It doesn't have to be expensive. Even local travels would be a big help. It would work. And I don't mind. Ayan, alam ko may nagtatanong sa inyo, Madam, absent ba sila sa school during those times? Yes, absent po talaga sila. At wala tayong magagawa dyan. We have to choose. Yan. Kasi we can't win everything. They can't go to school and travel at the same time. So we have to choose. And for me, traveling is also as important as going to school. But I do inform the teacher na hindi sila makakapasok. And if they have any bookworks, homework, or project, na i-update lang ako kasi ihahabol ko lang yung mga anak ko doon. And katulad ngayon, kakabalik lang namin sa Baguio. From Baguio, they have a lot of homework to catch up talaga. And lalong-lalo na kay Chico, nahirapan tayo kay Chico, guys, kasi yung kanyang mindset pang Ninja Turtle pa. Right? What do you want to be when you grow up? Why? What does a Ninja Turtle do? So, ganun, guys. Ganun ang mindset ng Chico natin. 3 years old. You see, you are jumping and you are hitting. Did you enjoy Baguio? They are asking, yeah?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about Baguio?
Spider-Man and then the turtle.
The Spider-Man. The Spider-Man guy that you saw. Did you like the biking part?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How about, is Baguio cold or hot?
Not cool.
Not cold. Was
Hot.
it? No, you were wearing jacket. When you wear jacket, it's cold or hot?
Cold.
Cold. Did you see flowers in Baguio?
No.
Flowers.
Oh.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you see a horse?
No.
You did not? Maybe because you're sleeping when we went to...
No.
So what did you see in Baguio then? Can you tell them?
I thought Spider-Man and Iron Man and Bumblebee.
Kita niyo guys? Yun ang naalala niya. What else? Did you go to the boat? Row
Yeah.
your boat. You did?
Of course.
Of course. And what are the food that you ate in Baguio? Did you eat a nice pancake?
Yeah.
Are you going to Baguio again?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You love Baguio?
Will
You tell them.
have Spider-Man.
You tell them, I love Baguio.
I love Baguio.
And a heart. Show them a heart. Heart. Is that a heart? That looks...
How can I do it?
Okay. And then this one should be pointed like that. Yes. Wow. Heart. How to do it. But this one is also a heart.
No, not.
Yes, look.
Tiny heart.
Chico is going to school na. Say bye-bye to them. Did you do your homework? Dami mo pang homework na hindi pa tapos, Chico. Okay. You go prepare for school in a bit, okay? Anyway, guys, that's about it for our Baguio episode. Dala, nahulog pala yung mic ko. Sana narinig ninyo yung sinabi natin. But anyway, we don't have any trips happening. Maybe. I am already thinking of going to the province at sa bukid ng aking ate. Pero I'm just thinking about it. I have a lot of things to catch up on. Marami tayong trabahong nakatambak. Pero anyway, guys, maraming salamat po once again sa lahat ng mga nanood ng videos natin. For you guys who commented, maraming salamat. And for those of you who saw value on in our content, thank you so much, and I hope you guys will be with us in the future, inshallah. Again, I'll see you guys on the next one. Much love, Princess Yiga.